So again, we did a lot about viroids, like how there is a difference between the bacteria and mycoplasma, where bacteria has cell wall, mycoplasma does not have cell wall. We have differences between viruses and viroids. As I already told you, the word oid in the suffix, the word oid in the suffix indicates that it resembles the prefix. Okay, so here viroid is something which resembles virus. You get my point? So they are only genetic material. They don't have protein coat. So viruses minus protein coat is viroids. So I thought I would differentiate between the viruses and viroids. As you can see, the blue color is virus and the pink color is viroids. Virus, a small infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of other organisms. That means they are obligatory parasites. Viroids are also infectious particles. That means they are also capable of infection. Smaller than any of the known viruses, serving as an agent of certain plant diseases. Virus is a nucleoprotein particle because it has nucleic acid and a protein coat, whereas viroids are only RNA. Virus is a small particle itself. Viroids are smaller than viruses. Virus contains either DNA or RNA as their nucleic acids. It contains a short strand of circular single-stranded RNA. So we never have DNA in viroids. DNA and viroids are mismatch. Double-stranded RNA and viroids are mismatch. The viroids only have single-stranded circular RNA. Understand? Goes well with viroids. Contains a protein coat surrounding the nucleic acid. Do not contain a protein coat. Different types of viruses can infect different forms of hosts, including animal, plant, bacterial, even we can include fungi here. We have viruses which will infect fungus also, mycophages. But viroids can infect only plant cells. Produces proteins during their replication. Do not produce proteins during their replication because they don't have a protein coat. The genetic material itself is infectious agent. They don't have a protein coat. Why will they make it? Example, EBV, adenoviruses, hepatitis B, influenza A, potato spindle tuber viroid, Avson viroidae, etc. are the examples of viruses and viroids. I hope the differences are clear.